IFM News. Lokal.
Gapo iti agtultuloy a panagayat ti CEO ti Help the Kids ani Miss Fedancel ken ti kadwana ani Father Team kanagiti ubing ket ditoy anagawid isuda tapno ti kasta ket makiiniliw makilangin-langin ken kastapay akitain dati kasasaad dagiti ubing iti Ilocos Norte kang runaan na iti dingras kuna ni Miss Fedancel adakkel akarit ken kuana daytoy gabuta makita na dagiti ubing ket ditoy akayat na nga ikan pa isuda tinarangrang ay amasakbayan.
Since 2024, September 2024, we've fed 3,000 kids. I've sent 32 jumbo boxes, and we've helped a student that needed money to go to college. We've helped with 5 medical needs and helped with 2 houses that needed to be built, and also help 2 family to start a business, and we're gonna keep making a difference. And that's just in a little bit of a year and some 6 months.
Mainaig iti daytoy ket kalikagom ni Father Team ang maikan ti pudpud ang pundasyon ti Help the Kids ken maragsakan isuna agapot agpapadada ti vision iti ina ti Help the Kids ani Miss Fedancel.
Commitment's everything. As a priest, I believe in Matthew 25, where Jesus says, as you've done to the least of these, so have you done to me. So every time we feed a child, every time we provide clothing, every time I take a kid to go get dental work, or I take a kid to go buy shoes, we're talking about sponsoring another person so that they can finish their degree. Every time we touch a life, we are serving Christ. So from my perspective, this is my calling as a priest, as a Christian, but even more importantly, as a member of just society as a whole. So I don't care if a person is a Christian or not. What I focus on is making sure they're fed, clothed, have shelter, have access to education, have health care, have the necessities to succeed.
Kagidan ti feeding program ket ditoy ang nagisayang katmet ti Help the Kids Pangasinan ti feeding program para iti IFM News. Ay Dolores Martinez tatak IFM.